Hello everyone, today we are with the quiz of lesson number 4, class 8, subject is history. And name of lesson is Tribals, Dikkus and Vision of a Golden Age. Let's get started. Our first question is, who was Birsa? Options are leader of Munda tribe, leader of Orient tribe, leader of Ho tribe, or none of these. And the right answer is leader of Munda tribe. It means Birsa belonged to Munda tribe from Chota Nagpur, Jharkhand, and he was a leader of that tribe. Question number 2. Birsa belonged to which state? Chota Nagpur of UP, Chota Nagpur of Jharkhand, West Bengal, Dongriya Kanda in Odisha. And the right answer is Chota Nagpur, Jharkhand. Chota Nagpur is situated in Jharkhand. Question number 3. Who were Dikkus? The landlords, Britishers, outsiders, or none of these? And the right answer is the outsiders. This lesson deals with tribals, Dikkus, and vision of a golden age. So, Dikkus were the outsiders who were money lenders, buyers of anything, and they give loan to the tribal peoples and try to capture their land. So the tribal people never like Dikkus. Dash was a flower that is eaten or used to make alcohol. Sal, fallow, mahua, none of these. And the right answer is mahua. Jhum cultivation is known as other name of Jhum cultivation. Shifting cultivation, modern cultivation, both A and B, none of these. And the right answer is shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation was found in dash area. Northeast part, central India, both A and B, none of these. And the right answer is both A and B. It means shifting cultivation was done in northeast part and central India, both. Question number 7. Which of the following is an animal rearing tribe? One Gujjars, Labdis, Gaddis, all of these. Now you have to pick that which of these is animal rearing, means the tribe which do animal husbandry or they earn their livelihood from animals. Options are told to you and the right answer is all of these. One Gujjars of Punjab, Labdis of Andhra Pradesh, and Gaddis of Kullu, who were animal rearing tribes. Question number 8. With the seeds of dash, haunts of Odisha cooked food. Sal, mahua, both A and B, none of these. And the right answer is both A and B. Actually, they ate fruit and roots collected from these things and cooked food with the oil they extracted from the seeds of sal and mahua. Question number 9. In Madhya Pradesh, shifting cultivation is known as Jhum, Bewar, Milpa, all of these. And the right answer is Bewar. Bewar in Madhya Pradesh is form of shifting cultivation or Jhum cultivation. Now move to question number 10. According to Britishers, Dash tribe was more civilized than other shifting cultivators. Gonds, Santhals, both A and B, none of these. And the right answer is both A and B. They found that Britishers or East India Company officials found that Gonds and Santhals, both tribes are more civilized and they like to use plow for their cultivation. So they can be changed into permanent peasants. So they used to peep or enter in the forest these both tribes. They leave the forest were considered to be wild and savage, so they needed to be settled. But they found that Gonds and Santhals are something or somehow civilized than other tribes. After coming the Britishers, the tribal chiefs enjoyed the power, lost their authority, enjoyed freedom, none of these. And the right answer is lost their authority. Tribal chiefs started work for East India Company and after some time they lost their authority among their tribe or tribal people. Question number 12. Britishers wanted tribal groups to become settled peasants because why do East India Company officials want that the tribal people should become settled peasants? Options are settled peasants are easier to control. They wanted regular revenue. Both A and B, none of these. And the right answer is both A and B. East India Company's officials or this company was only meant to come here to get more and more money, benefits, profits. So when they saw that a large number of land under forest and tribal peoples is not giving them more benefits, so they started a policy to bring these tribal peoples to settled peasants. The horizontal planks of wood on which railway lines are laid are known as blocks, planks, sleepers, flatboard. And the right answer is sleepers. Songram Sangma rebellion. It was a revolt done by the tribal people in 1906. Took place in Assam, Central Province, Andhra Pradesh, none of these. And the right answer is it's Assam. Which tribal group of Hazaribagh reared cocoon for silk clothes? Munda, Bhil, Santhals, how? And the right answer is Santhal. When was Birsa Munda arrested? 1894, 1895, 1896, 1897. And options are 1894, 95, 96, 97. And the right answer is 1895. What was the color of flag of Birsa Raj? Red, blue, both A and B, white. And the right answer is white. Which of these revolt done by tribals? Cole in 1831 to 32, Santhals in 1855, Worli is situated in Maharashtra, Worli in 1940, all of these. And the right answer is all of these. Birsa Munda was died due to cholera, plague, TB, fever. And the right answer is cholera. Question number 20. Why traders and money lenders, which were known as bhikkhus, were going to forest to buy forest produce, to offer cash crops, to ask them to work for wages? All of these. You must know the answer. And the right answer is all of these. I hope you must have enjoyed. Keep learning, keep practicing. Take care, and thank you so much.